Alright, just getting out here checking on this thing. It's been about 3 weeks and that thing is gangbuster and it's going good. I ain't done nothing really to it. I set it out here where it get a little more sunlight, and yeah, it's nearly I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 inches tall. That thing's it's going pretty good. Maybe 5 inches. I don't know. But anyway, we had some rain, so the bucket got filled up with water, with good rainwater, and it seems to be sprouting good and looking good. I think I'll turn it around. It'll get a little sun on that side. All right, there's our 3-week update. I guess that's it for now.